Have you spoken to yourself? These 2 months' time has given me immense possibilities. I was going through my old trunk where I found a list of 100 things to do before I die, which I had written in my childhood, means while I was doing my intermediate. At that point of time, I wished to make a chess board. As I was just waiting for the lockdown to be opened, then I started making it. I also thought to take you through this journey, so I filmed it. So let us start a journey of this making of a wooden chessboard. The process begins by selecting a perfect willow. It is difficult to find a white wood. I had selected shisham wood for black and sagwan wood for white. Then we have to paste it like this.
वीडियो जो ना बनाओ वायरल कर दो तो फायदा क्या है इस साइड से वायरल है
Fix it in a binder and keep it overnight. By the next morning,
ठीक
it becomes hard.
ये सब निकल आया है इसका मतलब फेविकोल इसमें बढ़िया लगा है अच्छा
Then again we have to cut in pieces. We have to paste it and bind it and keep it overnight. By now you can see our chessboard has started shaking its shape. Now we need to make a frame for it. I have selected shisham wood to make a frame. Again we will paste this frame to the board. Now we will level this.
मेरा टाइम नहीं है
Pasting of letters was also a tedious task, but my friend Dinesh did this all. Making a wooden chess pieces was also a challenging task. I had to spend 3 days to find a right skilled designer and one more day to make him understand what I want. Everything went well and finally my dream chessboard is ready.